The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. The longest constitution of any country on the earth. It took Constituent Assembly a little less 3 years to draft the monumental document. The Assembly adopted the Constitution of Independent India on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect in 26 January 1950. The preamble, which commences with magical word. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic which ensures the dignity of every individual and the unity. Let us discuss the difference between Indian and Western secularism. According to the Western ideas, secular states are observed as treating religion as a private matter. Religion is not given public or official religion, but the Indian Constitution differs in this matter. All religions are honored as same manner. Article 370 and 371. The Article 370 and 371 give special right to the state of Jammu Kashmir and the northeastern state respectively, according to their peculiar and social historical background. This type of provision, accommodation, is not found in Western countries. Affirmative action. Affirmative action in India is based on the principle of social justice without compromising on individual liberties. In India, affirmative action was introduced 2 decades before it was introduced in the US. Universal adult franchise. Every Indian citizen whose age is 18 years or above is eligible to vote, whereas in established democratic countries, right to vote was extended to women and the working class in the 20th century after a long struggle.